Hello friend, let's learn how to create a register point in your PC. Go to Start menu, type register, and here's create a register point. Just click here, and after you can turn this on in the system, and then after this is my system, and just create, and you can enter here the latest date. Okay, 6/8/25, and just create. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes to create a register point. Okay, I suggest you to create a register point of a PC. When you get problem and you wish, then after you can restore that point and your computer will turn on again. Okay.